What's up guys, it's Nathan Don't Got This, and in today's video we'll be doing another tutorial on how to port forward your unturned server. Now, you don't have to port forward if you're going to be using uh, the server just for LAN, which is your house holds internet. But if you want to port forward to allow other players to join your server, then you can do that. And in this video I will show you how. So in the last video we explained how to make a server and how to make it a rocket server. So in this video we will be doing port forwarding for the server to allow other players from around the world to join your server. So what we're going to do, we're going to go over to our browser, a handy dandy browser, and we're going to type in our default gateway. And mine is 192.168.1.1. Once you do that, it will bring you to your routers page, and I'm just going to type in my router's password. And if you don't know how to find your router's password, or how to find your router's uh, default gateway, what you want to do, you want to head over to command prompt, and once you're here, you can type in ipconfig. Once you do that, you want to look for your IP, for your default gateway, which is right here. And mine is 192.168.1.1. Yours might be different. It just depends on your router. So, once you have that, you just type it into the address bar up top, and then then it will bring you to your router's login page. It might not look like the one I logged into, but it might just have a box. So let's get into this. So you want to head over to if you're using a smart Wi-Fi Linksys router, you want to head over to security. Once you're here, you want to head over to apps and gaming. Once you're in apps and gaming, you want to go to port range forwarding. Once you're here, there won't be anything there, but click add a new port range forwarding. And for this, you're gonna need your IP. So I'm gonna just name it Unturned Server Tutorial, like last time. And I'm just gonna do 2015 to 2017. So Unturned uses 3 ports, 27015, and then, it uses 3 ports. The first port you put, it will use that port, and then there's 2 ports after that, and the 2 consecutive ports after that. So you want the protocol to be both TCP and UDP, and then you want to set it to your IP. So if you want to find your IP, you hit command prompt yet again, and you want to type in ipconfig like last time. So what you're going to be looking at is your IPv4 address. So mine is 192.168.1.100, and that's what you put right here. So you want to make sure that's enabled, and then you want to save that. Wait, what? Oh, I forgot to add the 7 here. Oops. But you want to save that, and then you want to click apply. Might take a second for it to apply, but once it does, it is. But that is not all you have to do. The second thing you want to do to ensure that players can get onto your server, you want to head over to, you want to type in Windows Firewall, and you want to do this one, Windows Firewall and Advanced Security. Once you're here, it will pop up this box. Don't worry, this part is not too difficult. Just follow my instructions and we'll get through it. So you want to click Inbound Rules, then click New Rule, and then you want to hit Port. Then you click Next, and then you have to do this twice. So for the first one, we're going to do TCP. You want to set the specific ports and the ports we use. So we're going to be using 27015 to 27017. Once you type that in, you're going to hit next. Then you want to make sure it says allow the connection. And then you want to make sure all these are selected. Then you can name it whatever. I'm going to name it Unturned Tutorial TCP. That way I can keep track of which one it is. So you have the first one on. Now you want to create another new rule. So you want to hit port. Then you want to hit next. Then you want to hit UDP this time. Then you want to do the same numbers, 27015 and 27017. Once you're done there, you want to click next. You want to click next again. And then make sure all these selected like last time. Then I'm going to name this Unturned Tutorial UDP just to keep track of it. So right here they are. So the second thing you want to do, you want to double click these. Then you want to head over to protocols and ports. You want to make sure that this remote port is on specific ports. You want to type in 27015 to 27017. You want to have it the same and identical as that one. You click apply. Okay. So we did UDP there, but you do that to the other one. So I'm going to head over to TCP, to UDP actually. Sorry about that. Then you click protocols and ports and make sure this is set to specific ports as well. So do 27015 to 27017. Once you've done that, then you are done port forwarding. So then once you open up your server, yet again, go to your server location and go to where it is, and you want to click Unturned Tutorial or whatever you named your server. It'll start up. So you should be able to connect to the server by just searching for your server's name, or you can connect directly using your IP and the port you use. In this case, we use I use 192.168.1.100 for the IP and port 27015. So that's how I would log into the server manually. But for you, it will be different. And for others, it will also be different. If they're not connected to your network, they cannot use that. They will have to use your public IP, which can be found by going to what's my IP. Or you can just type in what's my public IP and your browser, and it will tell you that. But just search it just to be easier. So we have done that, and in the next video, we will possibly be showing you how to add plugins to your server. Leave a like if you're looking forward to that, and comment below what you want me to do next. Until next time, peace.